Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy speech on Vande Mataram. Good morning respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Vivan. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It means I bow to my motherland. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1875 and was later included in his famous novel Anandamath. The year 2025 marked the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram. Making it a proud milestone for every Indian. During India's freedom struggle, Vande Mataram became a powerful slogan of patriotism. It inspired millions of freedom fighters with courage, unity, and love for the nation. Even today, this song fills every Indian with pride and respect. Let us always honor our motherland and become responsible citizens. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.